Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kriti Sanon here. Zordar.
Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here. Yes, what's your question?
Okay, so because Kriti is here, of course, this moment is very special, and we have a very special announcement that she's going to make. But before that, okay, Kriti, we all know you're very, very busy with your schedule, with your shootings, with your appearances, and there's one thing which girls love, and that's jewelry. So obviously, with your busy schedule, I'm sure you do not get the time to go to the stores and get your favorite jewelry. So let me go ahead and ask you, do you shop online?
A lot, and I think I've just gotten hooked to online shopping. That's something which I probably do while traveling, while sitting in my vanity van, when I'm just chilling at home even, because it gets a little difficult even with the busy schedule, and also sometimes you can't really go out to malls and you can't go out, to shops. When it's raining, you don't really want to step out. So I think online shopping is the best thing which has happened in a few years, I feel. And it's so convenient, it's so easy. You can see all the various options in one platform, which is very easy. And just sitting at your home on your bed, you can do everything. So I am absolutely pro online shopping.
So one thing I know that Kriti is going to get hooked onto velvetcase.com. Okay, Kapil.
So I think it's time now. It's time now to actually have Kriti really bring together the 34 leading jewelers and designers that we're launching today. Kriti, if you can do the honors using an iPad that we'll just give you.
All right, so something's going to happen here, and let's see what those magic words and what those magic site that we have here is going to do. All right, so Kriti has the iPad there, and she's going to go through the site. Ladies and gentlemen, your eyes on the screen here. Have a closer look. There, she's just visited the site, and she's trying to see as to what. Let me see what Kriti will actually go ahead and choose. Wow, that looks brilliant here.
Wow. That's a lot.
I'm sure when she's going to go back, she's going to go ahead and get everything at home. Oh, that's very interesting. We've got some amazing designs here, as you can see, friends. Very simple. Go ahead, choose a designer. So let's see what, okay, I think she selected that. Okay, Kriti, so what have you selected?
This is Payal Pratap, and
all right.
I love these earrings. Yeah, I think I'm going to take that.
That's Payal Pratap that she has chosen, and she's got some amazing designs there. Let's see what she will go ahead and buy. Friends, you'll get enough time to take her picture. As of now, I want you to focus on what she's doing here. It's quite simple. There she goes. She clicks there, and you get all the information about the design that she's chosen, as you can see on the screens.
Should I book this?
Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, the history has been created. The purchase is already made. Taliyan baja dijiye. Come on, friends. The gorgeous Kriti here.
Delivery I've ever got into my life. Thank you so much.
Ronit and Kapil.
Sure.
Let's just open it.
Yeah, okay, let's go ahead and see.
Well, for now, I'm just here to launch it. And it's a pleasure actually to be here and launch a brand which actually focuses on the consumers. And I'm very happy that they chose me to come and launch it here and be with you all and tell you all about velvetcase.com.
Wow. Okay, any more questions?
My question is to Kapil. Just needed to ask you, there are lots of sites, a trust and security is very important. So, how do you build up a trust for the customers actually?
It's a great question. I think this is probably the first question my mom asked me when I wanted to start this business. I think there are a multitude of factors. So what like I said, we're building a business which is consumer-centric. We stress a lot in terms of our customer service. All our customer care representatives are trained jewelry designers. They literally work with our consumers in terms of making sure that they become more advisors than people who are actually forcing a sale to happen. Each piece that we ship from our office to a consumer anywhere in the world is actually certified by third-party international laboratories and obviously gets manufactured by one of the leading jewelers or designers that exists in the world. I honestly, when we did research through a third-party marketing agency, what they actually found was that people trusted us more than traditional online companies because of the extra effort we took in terms of understanding their personal shopping experience. And that's really what we've been able to do in 2.5 years now. And we hope to continue to build this into a global enterprise.
How have been you handling all these, so many designers actually, it's a difficult task.
How are you handling them?
So I'll just answer that with one of my favorite quotes that a US president actually said. He said, a pessimist finds difficulty in every opportunity, and an optimist finds an opportunity in every difficulty.
Yes.
So,
Thank you.
Hi, Kirti. Kirti, first of all, wish you a belated happy birthday.
Sorry, I can't see you. Where are you?
On your right.
Oh, hi. Hi.
So, wish you a belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
So, you did not have any parties or get-together yesterday. What was it all about?
Okay.
Why?
No, I'm not too much of a party person actually. I'm more of a home person. I like chilling just with my close friends. And that's what I did. And luckily, my dad was also here for my birthday. So I actually had a candlelight dinner with my dad at home.
Oh, wow.
fantastic.
So, are you really, you like investing in gold or you like investing in diamonds?
I love diamonds. I think all women just love diamonds. Gold is also something that I like. But it's something that I like to wear more in the traditional, in traditional occasions with more Indian wear. But diamonds is something that I really like. And yeah, that's my favorite. I think most women really like diamonds.
So, आपको gift लेना पसंद है diamonds or you give it out to friends also?
Of course, लेना ज़्यादा पसंद है. Of course, and I like surprises also. I like them as birthday gifts also. But yeah, that's something that I think all women like. And if you're confused what to gift your girlfriend, you can always go with diamonds if you have that much of a budget for that particular gift.
So, can you revise one memories where आपको किसी से gift मिला हो, gold या diamonds या फिर आपने किसी को दिया हो?
नहीं यार, मुझे आज तक किसी ने gift नहीं की है jewelry. It's very sad, I know. But yeah, I've not been gifted a jewelry yet. I personally do like using or kind of going and stealing my mom's jewelry once in a while. Earlier उनको लगता था कि शायद मैं diamond नहीं संभाल पाऊंगी तो इसलिए वो मुझे छूने नहीं देती थी. But now she feels that I'm probably a little responsible and I've started doing movies, I've started working on my own. So now on occasions if I want her sets and I want her little elegant diamond jewelry, I do take it.
So you just spoke about movies, so I'm a little bit going off topic. How was your shoot with Dilwale, Shah Rukh, Kajol? Can you just tell us?
Okay,
I
no.
still haven't shot with them, unfortunately. But I'm really looking forward to shooting with them soon. It's going to be in August. mid-August, when probably all the combination shots and all combination scenes are going to happen. So I'm really looking forward to that.
How are you preparing yourself for that?
Hello.
Okay, no more personal questions about the shoots. Are we going to stick to the brand, please? Yes, we have.
Hello. Hi, I'm here. Hi, I'm Priyanka from ActFacts. I would like to know from the officials that what was the thought behind choosing a sports team for launching the mobile app? Because it deals with a lot of delicate and designer things, which is, in context with the women. So what was the thought behind choosing the sports people?
Yeah, so for us, it's actually not about women, men, sports, Bollywood. We think about special occasions, special moments, and marking milestone, magical moments that happen in each of our lives. I think the U Mumbai team has been a fantastic franchise and a team that's coming together. I think it's our privilege to actually have them be part of this event and really launching the mobile app and basically saying, irrespective of where you come from in different parts of the country, you have accessibility to something which is present from any other part of the world.
Thank you.
So that answers your question
Kirti,
here.
on your center. There are speculations that you've been a part of Sultan. So is it true?
No, it's not true.
Okay.
Thank you for that. Okay, any more questions related to Velvet case?
Yeah, hi, my name is Lakshmi, and I am familiar. Congratulations to Kapil and Runit for a fantastic journey so far. I have a question. So I actually shopped on Velvet Case, and I saw very, comparable in terms of weightage and everything in other stores, but they were much more expensive. So how do you manage to be so much more competitive, almost about 20-25% difference in the pricing? How do you manage that?
So, Lakshmi, great question. When we started the business, Kapil and me, there was one thing that we decided to stay true to, which was zero inventory. So we actually don't carry any inventory whatsoever. We enable our partners to come online, and what we're good at is technology and marketing. So what that allows us to do is actually help our partners also keep minimal inventory, and we promise a 10-day delivery to our customer, 10 to 14-day delivery. Everything is made to order. Most things are made to order. And we use CAD, CAM, and some of the modern techniques to make this happen. And therefore, since we don't carry inventory, we don't have physical retail, we are much cheaper than physical retail.
Yeah, I mean, that was amazing. 25% cheaper than, some of the physical stores. I see huge value in that.
Absolutely.
The other thing I also noticed is do you offer any kind of like certifications for your products, like diamond certifications?
Absolutely. Every single piece is certified. There is nothing that goes out without a 100% hallmark and a certificate from third-party international labs, GIA, IGI, DGLA. There's a bunch of them that we use.
Thank you.
Well, that was the last question of the session because we're running a little short with time. So once again, a big hand here, Zordar Taaliyan for Kriti and for Kapil and Runit. Okay, we are not done yet. We would now like to request all the designers and jeweler partners to please come on stage and have a photo op with gorgeous Kriti. I would request velvetcase.com team to please escort them on the stage here. And ladies and gentlemen, I would request all our lovely friends here to please gather for the lunch. Well, let me go ahead and tell you that we have done away with the champagne in respect to Dr. APJ Kalam, ladies and gentlemen. So I request you all do not leave without your lunch, and would request the TV crew to gather on stage a little later once we are done with the photo op for their bites.
जी मुझे डायमंड बहुत पसंद है, तो इसलिए स्पेसिफिकली मैंने डायमंड ज्वेलरी सेलेक्ट किया जब मुझे इस ड्रेस के साथ पहनना था. आई थिंक इट ऑलवेज लुक्स वेरी एलिगेंट. दिस इज़ आई गेस बाय अनमोल and they are one of my favorite designers and I like it जब elegant होती है, simple होती है ज्वेलरी, पर फिर भी थोड़ी सी chic होती है, थोड़ा सा उसमें एक अलग कुछ होता है. I like the fact कि इसमें एक हल्का सा yellow color आ रहा है, which I feel is a little contrast to my dress color. So that's how I choose my jewelry. And yeah, they're pieces found on their fabulous site.
So tell us something about
Please,
your
थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दो.
थोड़ा सा mic नीचे रखो.
Yes. Earcuffs is something which I really like. It's one of my favorite piece of accessory. And आजकल मैं कहीं भी जाती हूँ तो मुझे earcuffs जो है वो कितने भी कलेक्ट कर लूँ कम पड़ता है, I feel. And these are diamonds. Diamond earcuffs, so even better. I think you can't beat anything. You know, when you have diamond in front of you, it just completes everything.
ये आजकल का ट्रेंड भी है. ईयर कप्स जो है वो आजकल के ट्रेंड हैं. लास्ट 3 से 6 महीने में हम देख रहे हैं कि काफ़ी लोग, the new consumer is looking for ear cuffs, and that's become a really interesting trend globally across the modern consumer.
Plus, what you'll observe here is there's a beautiful ensemble of yellow and white diamonds that's happening here, which is just gorgeous.
Done? Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, thank you. Thank you.
चलो. Z News.
Thank you guys. Yeah. The buffet is open for lunch. Kriti, just one second. We have few more group bites. Few more. Oh, we have Times Now, Zoom, and CNN IBN.
Together, right?
Yeah.
Should have mentioned that previously.
You should talk about it.
There was a time.
Is it? Are you doing it individually?
One second, get it all combined.
Can we do both of it together? Let us finish.
इसे थोड़ा सा धीरे नीचे.
No, how many channels are there? It's all together, na? Janta hai. You can get some more mics on this.
We getting it. You can finish.
Okay, because
We'll just finish in another one. Yeah. One second.
This is also there, then just get it.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
We just had a big loss of the country yesterday.
Yes. Yes.
Would you like to say some words?
I think he was the most loved president of one of the most loved presidents of our country. People's president, he was called, and he was a visionary. He was working till the age of 83, and you know, he was an educator. He was someone who had so much of positivity inside him. He always used to inspire people around him, and yeah, it is a great loss to our country, and I hope his soul rests in peace. That's all.
And we're running a campaign for Independence Day, Meri Azadi. So what is Azadi for you?
Azadi for me, I think, is just to be able to speak my thoughts, to be able to do what I want. जो मैं बनना चाहती हूँ मैं वो बनूँ, जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ, मैं जैसे कपड़े पहनना चाहती हूँ मैं पहनूँ. I think it comes with a lot of things all together. मुझे ऐसा लगता है for our country right now, जो हम women empowerment की बात करते हैं, firstly they need to have the same rights as the men do, and I feel वो आज़ादी है पहले. Just to be at par with everyone else and no disparity between two individuals.
Yeah,
What do you have to say to those people who are uncomfortable with buying jewelry online? Because you know, buying jewelry is more of an event, and it's a historical thing that you go out with your family, with your friends, you touch and feel, and then you end up buying it. What do you have to say?
I've been waiting to actually kind of answer such a question, because I feel हम बहुत बार बोलते हैं कि it's about touch and feel, it's about wearing things and seeing how they look on your hand, but I think जितना modern हम बन रहे हैं, जितनी technology बढ़ रही है, it's all easier. You can buy jewelry being all together, whole family crowded with an iPad or a computer also, and it's even more easier. You can be having a lot of moments in your private zone जहाँ तक टच एंड फील की बात आती है, they have a very fabulous technology and an idea that they've come up with. Velvet Case basically gives you an opportunity to select whatever. Suppose I choose a ring. They will literally send you can say a 3D piece or a dummy piece made of wax or plastic, on which that ring is actually like it's printed on it, and you can wear it. So it's going to be the exact size, it's going to be the exact feel. You can actually wear it, see how it looks on your hand. If you like it, you order it. If you don't like it, you replace or give it back. So I think that for me was a wow factor when I heard it. Because it's very rare, you know, half the time you feel that, okay, here on the picture it's looking nice, but what if it doesn't suit my hand, or what if it looks too big for my hand? So I think when we come up with such innovative ideas and technologies, it just makes life much more easier.
What is the one jewelry piece that you're the most possessive about?
One jewelry piece? Well, my mom actually has a lot of Kundan made jewelry, which I feel Kundan never goes you know, out of fashion. It is always there, and that is something which, you know, when you wear your mom's jewelries to shadis and to events, I just feel that, you know, you just feel very different when you're wearing that. So for me, her jewelry is something which I am very possessive about, and me and my sister kind of keep fighting who's going to keep what.
And unfortunately, we lost Dr. Salaman today.
Yes.
He was somebody who always spoke about mental and physical fitness.
Yes, absolutely.
What do you have to say to the nation?
Firstly, it is a great loss, because he is someone who I think has been, he was such a lively person. He's been an inspiration to the youth. He used to really, you know, he was an educator till the age of 83, and mental and physical health is something which I also feel, and I've started realizing slowly that it's very, very important. We always kind of concentrate on physical health. Mental health is something that we don't really talk about, that we don't really, you know, pay attention on. And I feel there are a lot of things that you need to kind of put in your daily routine, like yoga or some sort of exercise or some, you know, meditation, pranayam. I think it really releases a lot of stress. Being happy, for me, it's the best thing for mental health, and it's the best cure for everything. Yes. I just like, it was very delicate, and it was a nice earring. It had a bit of white, it had a bit of pink in it, like a baby pink color, and it was a big earring if you see the size, but yet it was not bulky. So for me, that is a little more young, it's a little more elegant, light-weighted, that you can wear on occasions and yet not really feel, you know, that you've worn a lot of heavy jewelry. So yeah.
Okay, thank you
So everyone
everyone.
please off stage now, guys. Don't jump on each other. Please, my table.
A lot of people are watching live on film right now. You want to say hi to them, and they want to.
Jewelry at the same platform, and you can just select, you can see how it looks on your hand or whatever. And I think it's a great idea, and you know, I'm so happy to be associated with this brand, because I just feel that it is very modern and it has a lot to offer.
Page.com birthday gift to you.
I
Belated
suppose,
happy birthday.
But it was a really, really special gift, and that was the fastest delivery ever that I've gotten.
Like, you know, my last thing, you know, how does she feel at this point of the film, more of her songs?
Of course, it just made me feel very special, and sometimes even I touch the warm, you know, birth from across India and even Avan.
मनोज आ जाओ, मनोज आ जाओ.